Today I want to talk about rust and more specifically how to prevent it. Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. As we know, the best way to prevent rust is painting, and it works well until the appearance of scratches. Or if the part has fasteners that create scratches and it starts rusting again. So today let's talk about another ways how to prevent it. Let's start with electroplating.
So we'll need a glass container, some type of power supply, white vinegar, salt, a piece of whatever metal we want to plate with, and keep some water or baking soda to stop the reaction.
Let's get some pieces ready to get a successful plate.
We have to go through a whole process to get them to good clean metal. Parts need to be immaculately clean and grace-free.
The best results you will get with nickel, but it's quite expensive if you want to plate many parts.
Connecting the power supply. Positive to the nickel anode, negative to your part. You should see bubbles on the part. Ready.
The next one is zinc. You can find it in cheap batteries, or you can buy a galvanized steel sheet. They are pretty cheap.
Repeat from the beginning and prepare a new electrolyte. Don't try to plate zinc in nickel solution, it will destroy it. That dual gray is what you get without using brighteners.
Now, let's try much easiest ways. For the first method, you will need a hot water and a citric acid.
Hang your piece in the container. Time to time shake the bubbles and watch the temperature. If the water cools down, the reaction will stop. I want to compare the result with zinc plating. As you can see, the results are very similar.
And for the last one, you will need a burner and oil.
I lubricate the part and heat it. Using this method, we can get different colors depending by the temperature.
So, which do you like the most? I've attached links to more detailed videos about each method. If you like it, don't forget to follow, comment and share.